You just walked into the office. You sat down at your desk and you've already got supplier issues, POs, deadlines, and three other fires you're trying to put out. Then someone walks over and says, "Hey, everyone's already in the conference room. They're talking about the Section 122 changes coming up. We need to know where we're at right now. We need to know where we stand right now." You don't have 30 minutes to rebuild PowerPoint. You don't have time to pull someone off another deadline just to prepare an executive update. You're trying to hit your own FID deadline. That's exactly why I built the Executive Interactive Command Center. As long as you're already keeping your workbook updated as part of your normal workday, you're ready. Open the Executive Interactive Command Center, toggle between dashboard mode and presentation mode with one click. Now you're walking in with your senior leadership, your VP, or even the board of directors through your tariff exposure, your HS and HTS codes, critical, high, medium, and low impact products, vendor and supplier risk, executive recommendations, and action tracking, all from the same workbook you're already maintaining. You don't have to rebuild slides. You don't have to scramble for numbers. You don't have to stop someone else from what they're working on just to prepare an executive update. You already know where you stand, and now everyone else in the room does too. This is the Executive Interactive Command Center inside the Tariff Playbook Suite. All the information is in the description below.